Seems like we still need to put more things in there, and we'll get back to you with a plan as soon as we have it on the ground. Seems like we still need to put more things in there, and we'll get back to you with a plan as soon as we have it on the ground.
Okay, copy. We'll hit pause on that just because the shape is kind of bulging on that 1.0 CTB, and also it does not contain the Orion sleeping bags. I don't want to put a Okay, copy. We'll hit pause on that just because the shape is kind of bulging on that 1.0 CTB, and also it does not contain the Orion sleeping bags. I don't want to put a misshapen CTB in the Dragon on the cargo pallet.
Okay, we copy, Ann. We'll get back to you with a plan.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Station Houston on 2, the audio is configured in Dragon at this point.
Thank you so much, Luca. Luca?
Dragon Houston on 2 for Zena.
Maybe on 2, Luca.
Hey Zena, 2 requests for you. The first one is not to strap down the ammonia 2.0s right now, because we might want to use that for some of the items. And the second question for you is, do you think you could fit that? And the second question for you is, do you think you could fit that 3 half CTBs in there?
Check, but my instinct is no. And I'm not strapping it down very tightly, just kind of attempt stowing.
Okay, copy, Zena. The plan at this point would be for the sleeping bags to stay your crew note on stow track. And then we were hoping to stow the 3 half CTBs, the 3 empty half CTBs into the 2.0 ammonia CTB that you're manipulating right now. And then we would still want the HDI to go in between that CTB, the one called bubble wrap, and foam. Bubble wrap and foam. Sorry, between the bubble wrap CTB and the raft.
Okay, copy all, Luca. I just checked, and I think there actually will be room for those 3 half CTBs in the orange ammonia filter 2.0. I'm not sure that there will be enough space for the 1.0 called bubble wrap in its current config without putting a lot of pressure on our survival rafts, which I'm hesitant to do, but I will check.
And Zena, that's also taking into consideration removing the HDI from that CTB.
Well, we would be removing it from that CTB only to then stick it in between the CTB and another CTB, so it's effectively the same volume.
We understand. Thank you, Zena.
Is there any preference on the orientation of that orange ammonia filter bed 2.0? It's a little bit rectangular, and so I could maybe flip it 90 degrees and get a little bit more space in here.
Zena, we copy your suggestion. If you rotated that the 2.0, would it interfere with the Immer air supply mount?
Check it. Luca just flipped it 90 degrees, and that actually improves things a lot. So now the hinge of the lid on that 2.0 is closest to seat 1 on the vehicle port side.
Hey, Luca, Johnny on 2. Have some words, might be unhelpful help, but let me know when you're ready to listen to an overview of what I think might help.
We are ready for your words.
Ann pointed out a document under the ISIS homepage, Ops Products, Control Documents, document under SpaceX True Dragon, and then this one is called DΩrÅ Hardware Configuration Reference, quote, English. And if you open that document, it has the final config of the 5 crew no seat liner. And if you look in the 1.0 CTV bubble wrap in this document, it does not have the towels, which is what we have currently in the 1.0 CTV bubble wrap. So I think those towels should be going into the 2.0 CTV US ammonia filter bed bag, which would then provide enough room in the 1.0 CTV for the 3 half CTVs. How copy?